Hi guys! For tonight's video ay i-share namin sa inyo ang isa sa mga authentic Vietnamese restaurant na kinainan namin during our trip dito sa Hanoi, Vietnam. It's specifically located sa Old Quarter and ang name ng restaurant ay Met Vietnamese Restaurant and Vegan. So ito nga pala yung kanilang updated menu as of September 2024. Since it's our last night na, we're craving rice, kaya umorder ako ng chicken curry for myself with plain rice syempre. Then, umorder din kami ng spring roll. Ito yung kanilang spring roll na in 3 ways. So, iba't iba siya. May fresh, may fried, and may rice paper. Umorder din kami ng seafood fried rice. Ito yung itsura niya. Then, nag-include kami ng sweet and sour pork ulit para ma-compare namin dun sa mga una namin natikman. Ayan guys, malaki yung serving ng seafood fried rice nila. And highly recommended to, masarap siya. Yan, ito yung aming mga in-order. So far guys, lahat masarap yan, authentic Vietnamese. Yung sa 3 ways lang medyo hindi ko nagustuhan yung dipping sauce. So that's our Met Restaurant review. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.